Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your mobile OS version and free storage because the installer needs space and compatibility. Once done, enable developer options or allow installations from trusted sources in settings. This lets the package install. Make sure you've backed up your device and are signed into your Apple ID or Google account, since account access may be required during setup. Now download the signed installer file provided by the verified distributor and move to the next stage. Run the installer and follow prompts. Accept permissions for file access and network so the executor can load modules. Once installed, open the app and grant runtime permissions like storage and network, and accessibility if the tool requires input automation. Then apply the latest runtime patch inside the app to enable mobile execution and sign in with your account to sync settings. If there's a verification step, complete it now. These configurations let Swift Executor run code reliably on mobile. Finish by testing a small script to verify execution, then inspect results and any permission prompts. If it fails, revoke and re-grant the problematic permissions and restart your device to clear transient issues. Make sure the app's runtime components are updated. If errors persist, check the app logs to identify missing modules and reinstall the signed package rather than a third-party build. One key troubleshooting tip: if installation errors continue, reinstall from the verified installer and reapply permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.